YouTube, what's up? The official sauce, another tutorial going down tempo taper 5-minute haircut. We're gonna start off with the number 1 guard open 1.5 with the grain, starting the process on the waves. Alright, I'm gonna actually start backwards. I'm gonna start taping them up first, and then I'm gonna start blending his hair because I want to see the detail first. I want to see where my tape is at, where my curves at, everything. So I'm gonna start off my 0 with my slimline. Next step is gonna be no guard, lever open is gonna be your half, gradually close the lever. The number 1 guard, we're gonna go up almost about an inch, and then we're gonna get the half clip open and then gradually close, blending it in. And now I'm gonna grab my speedo guard number 2 and go up about an inch. Remember, always brush the hair. And now I'm gonna grab my number 1 wall guard again, open it up, gradually close it. Now I'm gonna get my speedo number 3 guard and basically blend everything in. Some people say that when you do the 1.5 with the grain, if you would go against, it would be a number 3. So just for safety precautions, that's what I do. Then grab the speedo number 2 guard, open and blend it in. Alright, next step, I'm actually taping up first, how I did in the beginning, rather than blending it in first. No guard, you're gonna have the lever completely open, which is your half, and then you're gonna gradually close the lever using your corners, eventually taking away that skin line. Now we're gonna go with the number 1 guard, just how we did in the sides, go almost to an inch, and then we're gonna grab the half clip, open, gradually closing, blending everything in. Don't forget to use those corners, that's very important in this part of the taper in the back. Now with the speedo number 2, I'm gonna basically have it open and close, playing with the blend, going about an inch up, close, and then eventually flicking out once you open up the lever. Now with the wall number 1 guard, I have it open, basically attacking that number 1 line, and then eventually closing the lever, playing with the blend. And even if I grab my half clip, you know, I open it up and close it. Now guys, I want you to notice something. Notice how I grabbed the number 1 guard and I'm just basically going over what I did in the beginning. Remember, everything is not gonna be perfect. You gotta go over it. The hair is not gonna fall off the first time you go with the machine. You know, it's just something that you gotta make sure it's always gonna be right. Guys, now once again for the last side, we're gonna do all the steps that we did on the other side and then on the back. And I want to thank each and every single one of you guys for subscribing. If you haven't done so, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, drop some feedback, guys.